Welcome back, guys. And this lesson I'll be taking my time to show you how to create a free hosting plan. And the hosting platform I'm introducing you to is the awardspace.com. So I have the URL in the lesson section where you just go straight to awardspace.com, follow my steps, and create a free web hosting platform. As I've said earlier, you need a web hosting to store all your documents. Anytime somebody tries to access your website, where they've been directed to is your host, and you need to pay for it. That was what I explained in the previous lecture, telling you about the GoDaddy. But this time around, I'm telling you, introducing you to awardspace. And awardspace is just a free web hosting. They offer paid service too, but for the practical purpose of this course, we will be using the free hosting service they render. So I have it here on my screen, awardspace free web hosting. So what I need to do is to just come down. You can see some of the features: the free web hosting, the shared premium hosting, and everything here. So I'll just come down to place my order for the free. Take note, you are placing your order for the free, don't go for the basic. So place my order. So the moment you click place your order, what you need to do is just to create your account. So I'll advise creating your account using Google. Don't go through the step of this because at times you might be having error and some other verifications you might not need to do. So once you have a Gmail account, just come straight to continue with Google, and I would like to use one of my emails, Google Mails, to sign in for this. You can use any of your Gmail. I believe you have a Gmail account, and the advantage of this is like I advise you to always use any of your Gmail that you're not really using like that, or for different projects use a different Gmail. So let me use this Gmail here. So I click on the Gmail, and what it does is like sign me in. Now the moment you are signing with your Gmail account, okay, so welcome to awardspace control panel. So this is a welcome note. So the first thing I'll need to do is, you enter with your Gmail, so you need to set a password, because you've not set a password before. It automatically pick your Gmail and the information like your name from your Gmail account. So I close this. The next thing is me entering my password. So let me wait for it to load. Okay, good. So I'll enter my password. You just enter any security password you think. So I'm entering my password. Good. So just click change password, and good, password has been successfully changed. So the moment you change your password, see all your welcome information. So in the next lesson, we'll be taking a look at install WordPress, but I won't advise you to do this now. I would like us to first connect our domain name. So watch the next lesson where I'm going to show you how to connect a domain name to this host and how you create a domain name that is www. my website or anything you want, not .com, because you are using a free .gar, .nl, and any other thing. So now here is the control panel. These are the control panel of your hosting looks like. You see features like domain manager, database manager, email accounts. This is where the whole operation happening on your website is taking place. This is going to be fun. So let's see the next lecture where we'll just take a look at also creating a domain name, and by then we'll take a look at connecting them together. We install WordPress and we have a live website.